My name is Kayla Spees. I'm the Vice President of Partnerships at Infusion. We work with some of the brightest in the industry from a technology perspective, from a creative perspective, and we have great clients and great partners with Microsoft. The 9/11 Memorial is a museum and memorial that's been put up in the foot of the World Trade Center towers. There was so much vision of what they wanted to do to take these memories, to really commemorate the people that had had such an impact on this tragedy. Being a part of this project really meant a lot for the entire Infusion organization. We felt the impact. Infusion had people working in the towers, and thankfully, they weren't there that day. The 9/11 Memorial Registry is really, at its core, a database. And what it's able to do is to take stories from rescue workers, survivors, from citizens at large, really, on what their experience was with the 9/11 tragedies.
The Registries project, which we work with Infusion to create, is a digital portal for communities to be represented as part of the larger story of 9/11. It addresses rescue and recovery workers, witnesses and survivors, and memorials around the world. And it's accessed both in the museum and it's web-based, so people can peruse it at home and also enter their own information from home.
We leveraged Microsoft Azure for this solution primarily, and our rationale and thinking behind that was that the cloud would allow us to scale. And so if we had 10,000 users, if we had 50,000 users, we had room. Everyone's story could be captured because of the scalability of the solution.
The Scroll of Honor is a really key component of our exhibitry in Foundation Hall. It honorifically says thank you to these people and lists every name that's in the registries.
This solution has had a considerable impact already. As of September last year, over 500 witnesses and survivors' memories have been captured, 900 memorials, and over 7,000 rescue and recovery workers' stories are now live in the registry.
The registries, while it talks to those of us who might have a more distant relationship to 9/11 by letting us see these intimate communities, to know that their story is recorded and their story is here and part of the archive.